This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready, start inside Messages. Tap a conversation, open the app drawer, then the iMessage app store. Find the sticker pack you want and install it. This makes the pack available immediately. Once done, make sure the pack is enabled in the drawer. Swipe the app tray, tap Edit, then toggle the pack on. You're now positioned to place stickers. These steps get the pack into your workflow fast, so you don't waste time hunting in settings. You'll place stickers by dragging them from the drawer into the conversation. Tap and hold a sticker, then drag it onto a message bubble, photo, or empty area. Release to stick it. To resize or rotate, use 2 fingers. Pinch to scale, twist to rotate, then lift your fingers to commit. If you want layered effects, drop a sticker on top of another to stack them. You can reposition stacks by dragging. Make sure to preview before sending, so placement and scale. Finish by cleaning up. To remove a sticker from a sent message, press and hold the sticker and choose Delete or Peel off. To manage packs, open the app drawer, tap Edit, then toggle or delete packs you no longer use. If something fails, stickers missing or not appearing, first update iOS and the sticker app, then force quit Messages and reopen it. If that doesn't work, re-enable the pack in the drawer. This simple restart often resolves permission or caching issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.